Lovies!
Labis na labis, kulang na kulang.
And Lovies, we are here right now at the 1998 Roof Deck Lounge here in Makati.
Yes, and today we have a group of people who would make us laugh very, very hard.
Papasayin Since we are celebrating our Leisure Mania,
the month of October,
yes,
we are having Comedy Cartel in our 1998 Roof Deck Lounge by Ilya. We are with our guests. They are from Comedy Cartel, and this is Sir
Don Vic.
Don Vic and Sir
Jigs.
Jigs. Ayan.
Hi, I'm Lina. They call me the Honest Con Man, and I'm a magician.
Hi, my name is Joshua Garcia. I mean,
Nagkataon lang?
hindi talaga yun.
Ay,
Joke lang yun, joke lang.
Joke lang.
Marty Almighty.
Well, actually, I'm Edward Chico. So, I'm a stand-up comedian, but I moonlight as a lawyer.
Oh.
So, but I really love doing comedy. Sobra, grabe.
What is Comedy Cartel?
Comedy Cartel is actually an organization of comedians who perform shows all over the world.
All over the world?
The Philippines. Hindi, Luzon lang, Luzon.
Ay, Luzon lang.
Hindi, Metro Manila lang.
Maraming dating nanggaling dito mga sikat na.
Bago pa kami nag-start sa comedy, Alex Calleja, for one, yung mga Cool Pals,
Yeah,
they all
Cool
came
Pals.
from Comedy Cartel. And ayun na, I mean, they formed their own group eventually, but they all started with Comedy Cartel, which we believe is one of the longest standing comedy
Yes.
Ilang years na ba si Comedy Cartel?
si Patrick ang makakasagot niyan mamaya.
Tinanong namin yung mga interview kanina, when did Comedy Cartel started? Ang sabi nila, ikaw lang ang makakasagot.
Okay.
Oo,
Kasi
lahat
lahat sila nag-start iba't ibang timeline, kumbaga. But the cartel we started 2005. We started with Tim Tayag, me, kaming dalawa ang founder. Tapos may isa pang comedian from the US na nasa US lang yung base, Alan Manalo. So, nag-start kami lang, tatlo. Kami nag-show kami sa mga maliliit na bar. Dalawa lang nanonood, tatlo lang nanonood, mga ganun. Yung mic namin, yung mic na Fisher-Price toy na mic, yung pambata. Oo, mga ganun. Talagang walang sumiseryoso sa amin kasi comedy nga, no?
Pero
And
ano,
then,
sir, yung pinaka-peak nyo?
I think was when we did shows at Music Museum nung 2006-07. Iba-iba, meron kaming show sa Cuneta Astrodome. And then also when we did yung mga comedy competition namin in 2013, nationwide yun. We did a lot of shows all over different cities. We partnered with Jack TV, ABS-CBN. So maraming milestones, kumbaga, for comedy. So parang napansin namin na tumatanda na yung mga comedians that do male humor. Yung parang medyo more of yung comedy na ng o-okray ng crowd. Kasi di ba that time ang maingay yung di ka pwedeng umupo sa harap kasi talagang pag may show hindi umuupo sa harap eh.
Laman ka ng act kapag nandito.
Yeah, alba may kasama kang boyfriend na ka no, oy, may yayaman na naman po, salamat. Aangat sa ekonomiya, ganyan, di ba? Or pag may mataba na naka-blue, bakit may gasol dito? Dapat nasa kitchen. So, may mga ganun yung comedy that time. Sabi namin, okay naman yun, may market yun. Pero gusto din namin yung comedy na may script, yung may monologue, na may material, kumbaga, na hindi ginagamit yung audience for material or insult or anything. So, sabi namin, why not start a movement or a community na ganung practitioner, ganung klaseng comedy ang gagawin?
So, yung commercial ng Master, sikreto ng mga gwapo. Ang tanong, paano kaya nalaman ng Master ang sikreto ng mga gwapo? Tanong nyo kung paano? Siyempre, tinanong nila ako.
Like this, make sure your fingers are working fine. Right? Now, palms facing each other, thumb to the ceiling.
Ano na lang yung mga topics na inaano niyo sir?
Actually, ang topics ko, I just made this up. Ang tip kasi sa amin, when we started, your set should be comprised of your real life experiences. So yung mga funny na nangyayari sa buhay mo, ganyan. For it to be unique, kasi we're encouraged na to take jokes from joke books, from social media.
Tsaka kasi mas relatable pag real life experiences.
Yeah.
Eh. So mabilis makakonect dun sa
authentic
audience.
yung story.
Oo, pati yung mga past mo, nare-reminisce mo, sabi, okay yun.
Ikaw naman sir.
Ayan, buti tinanong mo. Sabi ko, parang hindi ako tatanungin. Hindi kasi yung jokes ko, it focuses mainly on relationships. So, at saka gustong-gusto ko talaga yung part na ad-libs. Pero siyempre, starting pa lang, mahirap bumato ng ad-libs kapag wala ka pang materials or content. So, akin, relationship siya. Like, lagi ko sinasabi yung mga friends ko, yung mga type of friends, yung pinakagusto ko, yung mga tanga. Yun. Kasi pag kasama mo sila, magmumukha ka matalino, ganun. Tapos yung second is yung sa mami ko, mami jokes. Medyo brutal yun kasi real life experiences talaga siya. And others din. Plus, mahilig ako sa trivia. So, kanina
sample, trivia.
yung sa batang 90s jokes, kunyari. Alam nyo ba yung larong unggoy-ungguyan? Okay. Hindi ba kayo nagtaka kung bakit unggoy-ungguyan ang tawag doon?
Kasi nakasabi.
Hindi.
Sa baraha.
Sa baraha, yung pares-pares. Pares naman talaga, oh.
Wala pa hindi niya inabutan yung laro na yun.
Unggoy-ungguyan. Ano yung monkey bars yun eh, monkey bars. Alam mo kung bakit unggoy-ungguyan yung tawag doon sa laro na yun, yung pares-pares na baraha?
Bakit sir?
Kasi matching type.
Matching.
Oh. Hindi mo kasi yung laro eh.
Actually, normally, because dahil lawyer ako, I bash politicians all the time. Ang tawag ko dyan, punching up.
Napanood ka na.
So, pinagtatawanan ko yung mga politiko lagi. So, kinikriticize ko sila. I also voice my opinions on certain issues of the day. Tapos, yung mga universally funny things you can talk about.
I'm honest about my dishonesty. Right? Right up front na alam yung gogoyoin ko kayo.
Kasi magician siya.
Exactly, di ba? So yun yung point niyan. You know, it's just an act, right? On a serious note, I teach things how not to get scammed.
Talaga?
Yeah, I'm really fascinated about scams talaga.
Bakit sir, na-scam ka na ba dati?
Hindi, scammer siya dati.
Baliktad ba?
Can you give us just
Like, I don't know, madalas kasi kukunan ka ng mga pera, like, dalawa pala, tatlong pera ang kailangan nila, and just in case, isusugal nila yung pera mo, just in case of casinos, mawawala yun isa-isa. And suddenly, mawawala na yung pera mo, and iikot-ikot lang yan, magiging pera ulit, magiging poker, and suddenly pera na ulit, and bigla na lang matitira sa'yo, isa na lang. Yun ang magiging problema. Sometimes...
Wait lang, naduling ako. Tinandaan ko yung kamay.
So yun na yung point ng Comedy Cartel. Hindi lang talaga comedians yung
Yan,
may mga ibang talents.
Galing.
Mentalism, magic.
And magician siya. Magician si Mardy. And he doesn't do magic sa stage.
Ay, hindi naman. Para naman tanga to. Hindi ako nag-magic na. Para akong para akong buhay na joker. So may kiddie party sa umaga, tapos sa gabi, stand-up comedian.
Pero, why did you choose this, na magganito?
Ito kasi dati ko lang to way out ko lang to para makainom. Hindi, totoo. Mahirap magpaalam sa partner para mag-iinom ako, di ba? Mas
So,
sabi ko
excuse
sa kanya,
mo?
teka muna, may stand-up comedy ako ngayon eh. Pero iinom lang talaga ako.
At least nandito ka na, sir.
Yeah, oo.
Mag-iinom
Kasi
mo.
isip niya, work yan. Saya na. Pero inom talaga.
Pero
Tapos
gano'n na
sa
kayo
mga
katagal sa Comedy Cartel?
Or-
First act, gano'n.
First act
show.
na open mic.
open
Yan, nag-open mic din ako sa kanila 2013. 10 years na. 2013.
Ilan taon ka na ba, sir?
11 ka lang yun.
Oo.
Underage.
Ako mga 10 years na rin ako, pero 16 ako nag-start.
Yun. Mas matanda ka na sa kanya 3 taon eh.
Oo, 16 na ako.
Okay.
Kasi actually, we're just new here.
Mga gano'n nakatagal. Yes, maganda yung mo, okay.
I just started this June. Si Jigs mas matagal na sa akin.
Pero sa comedy, gano'n din. Sabay lang kami dito sa comedy.
Actually, ako masyadong matagal eh. Nag-start ako 2018. Ito siya sa hobby. Of course, it didn't start ito sa hobby. Somebody invited me to do
5 years.
open mic. Tapos I got the hang of it. Parang na-enjoy ko. Okay, pag
Parang
natatawa
it
sila.
comes out naturally na.
Eh dito kasi ang maganda sa comedy, ikaw lang, pag wala akong ginagawa, that's when I write materials. Tapos pagkagabi, then I get to perform them, and then you get to hone, you get to improve. And then subsequently, you get to really come up with solid materials which you can actually use. So every time there's a show, so you basically use those materials to, you know, at least make people laugh. Kasi mahirap magpatawa, di ba? And I really love the challenge. Like you go to a place, like in this show, for example, the people came here not for comedy because they had a reunion. So you just had to perform in order to make them laugh, para they'd have fun. Ang hirap gawin nun kasi they're not here for comedy. So I love the challenge. Tapos yung comedy kasi, the validation is immediate eh. Kasi sa courtroom, like pag umattend ako, alam ko na yung mangyayari eh. So I basically say the same thing every day. Every time I go to court, pareho lang yung sinasabi. Alam mo na.
Sa comedy,
dito parang sa pelikula na Forrest Gump, it's like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get eh. Sometimes you go to a show, you try out some materials not relatable to them, so you have to come up with other materials and find out the materials that would actually click.
Nanonood lang. Actually, supporta lang talaga ako today eh. Nanonood ako nito.
Nanonood lang
Hinugot
ako dito. Kasi sabi niya, pare wala kami pang dinner. Kaya, sige, dito sa Ilios kasi may libre eh. Kaya nandito na sila nag-dinner kasama niya yung pamilya niya. Kasama niya yung nanay niya.
Totoo ba?
Hindi. Yung ano niya lang, fiancé niya.
Ano talaga to?
Napakasarap ng Ilios, no?
Well, yeah. Totoo naman. Isa sa mga main reasons bakit nandito ako is pagkain. Pangalawa na yung suporta.
Seryoso. Sa kanya lang galing.
Masarap kaya hipon dito.
Sino ba sa October 20?
Sobra. Ano bang may...
Sir, bakit may hipon ka?
Ba't may hipon ka?
Ang galing sa buhok mo. Ang galing.
Pinapukara na yun.
Anyways, ito may last question ako.
Last na yan, ha?
Oo, yes. What makes a joker laugh?
Well, pagka tumatawa sila, alam mo, kunyari, sobrang nerve-wracking yan, ano? Ako, I've been doing shows. Parang sinasabi nila, Ed, sanay na sanay ka na. Madali na, hindi. Every time I go on stage, sobrang kinakabahan ka pa rin. Kasi hindi mo sigurado
ano pa din?
You're always as good as your last show eh. Kasi hindi mo alam yung audience na manunood eh. So kakapain mo yan, titignan mo yung feel. Sometimes kasi what makes a joke funny is that you can relate to it.
Dapat meron kang pleasing personality. Yeah. Ano sinasabi ko?
Actually, nag-agree ako dyan eh. They have to like you first.
They like may masitsura ka sa akin, kaya ka nag-agree. Mas nakakatawa hindi masyadong gwapo ko tulad ko.
They have to like you first. Bago nila magustuhan yung gusto kong point mo eh. Magugustuhan ka muna nila bago ka nila panoorin, bago ka nila pakikinggan.
Dapat likeable ka.
Dapat likeable ka. Wala na itsura dito kahit mapangit kami o pogi, gano'n.
Saka number one, dapat witty ka.
Dapat witty ka, yeah.
No? Kasi pag hindi sila natawa, wow. Sobrang, ano ba yan, wala akong kwentang tao.
Hindi naman.
Pinakamahirap pa naman yung feeling mo wala kang kwenta, di ba? Yung comedy kasi parang pagmamahal yan eh. Para siyang, yung stand-up mo, just like love, para siyang padating na bagyo. Alam mo kung bakit? Kasi di ba kahit may pag-asa, hindi ka pa rin sigurado. So, hugot lang.
In front of 1998 Roof Deck Lounge by Ilios, audience, owners, friends, addict ka ba?
At syempre, hindi lang kami yung curious dito kasi meron na naman tayo special guest, si Sir Mac. Please welcome Sir Mac. Sir Mac, come here.
Yan.
Hello po,
Hi,
Bossing Mac po.
Very nice to meet you, sir.
Nice to meet you. Anyway, ano naman to, di ba? It's going to be a series of shows naman.
Yes.
So we just like to thank Comedy Cartel for partnering with us here in 1998. We're so very grateful. Siyempre, I mean, 1998, it's a fairly new bar, a fairly new lounge. So we're in the process of forming our lineup of activities for the, and we're so very happy to partner with Comedy Cartel for our October Fest. Tawag Lager Mania. Anyway, ako naman magti-trivia, no? Ang trivia nun, kasi si Chef N and his wife, they got together ng 1998. Naging sila ng 1998. Okay. So they've been together for 25 years already. So dahil magka-batch sila, nagkataon lang din when we established this, batch 1998 din.
So, galing. High school sila.
Diba? So, yun yung trivia. Pero hindi joke yun. Totoo yun. Okay.
We'll be having shows pa here at 1998 Roof Deck Lounge next week, October 27. Yan. So, and hopefully maging continuous to kasi ang goal namin ng Roof Deck Lounge is to be a home for comedy. So, we want the whole area to know na kung gusto mong tumawa at mabusog, dito ka na pumunta. Oo. Kasi ma-distress ka, di ba? Walang mga mental health issue na hindi natin kayang Exactly. Dahil life is short, di ba? Life is short. Huwag tayo masyado magseryoso, di ba? Let's be happy. Importante. And laughter is the best medicine lagi, di ba?
Never gets old.
Correct.
Thank you so much.
Thank you guys for having us, and we'll see you guys soon. Thank you.
Yes, again, we'd like to thank the Comedy Cartel for joining us in our Lodger Mania this month of October.
Favorite ko talaga yung Lodger Mania. Ang ganda pa kayo.
Ang social, no? Ayan, lovies, kaya kung gusto nyong tumawa, kung gusto nyong kumain, manood, makalimutan saglit na inyong mga problema, what are you waiting for?
Book your reservations now at 1998 Roof Deck Lounge by Ilios.
So, lovies, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is Ilios Group.
And to our social media platforms for party trays, that's Ilios Party Trays. For our restaurant, Ilios Home Buffet.
And for our premium catering and private dining, that's Privé by Ilios. And don't forget also our Patisserie by Ilios. Again, this is Dan.
This is Lara.
From Heart to Table. Bye.
Bye.
See you.